Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir and I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 1 in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This is a 500 square yard plot size which has a configuration of 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get inside to showcase you a little more about the property. This is the formal living space of the property. A beautiful living space. On the ceiling that you'll see, this is a chandelier. आपके Daikin के air conditioners लगे हुए हैं. These are all VRV system. You've got the modular switches. On the surface you'll see this is an Italian flooring done. Towards on the left hand side of the wall you'll see this is a plain simple white wall, a cream color. यहाँ पर आपका कुछ paintings वगैरह clad कर दिए हैं walls के साथ, canvas paintings हैं to showcase how will this look like if you decorate your house. On the left hand side you'll see this is the channel of opening your balcony. This is the balcony in the front. This is a pocket window. On the right hand side you'll see an artificial grass work given. On the top of the ceiling you'll see it's a wood work, engineered wood. On the flooring you'll see it's a laminated, these are like laminated wooden shade tiles. In the front of this house you'll see यहाँ पर में natural stone दिया हुआ है, metal work दिया हुआ है. To showcase them the surroundings a little. ये surroundings एक बार दिखा दीजिए. The natural light will flow inside your formal living space. In the daytime, पूरा light का visibility है. Since you've got the toughened glass on the both left and right, come inside. This is how you drag it and you wanna shut this off. ये natural light आपके घर के अंदर आ रही है daytime के अंदर. Moving further, we'll showcase you the dining area. But before we showcase you the dining area, यहाँ पर जो foyer area है आपका, which you call the waiting area, इसका जो ceiling design है, this is rectangular as it was there in the formal living space. Fans काफ़ी heavy हैं, all branded quality fans. On the left hand side of this dining space you'll see एक canvas का artistic painting है, all Vedas chanting, a beautiful woodwork done on the corners of this painting. सामने में भी आप देखेंगे पूरा का पूरा डाइनिंग स्पेस में सामने पेंटिंग्स लगाया हुआ है. फैन अगर आप देखेंगे इट्स अ हेवी क्वालिटी अगेन. दिस इज जस्ट अ शो पीस टू शोकेस यू हाउ विल द interior of the property would look like if you keep something as an immovable item. This is a canvas painting of a queen. That's the king. With the wooden shade on the ceiling. दरवाजे सारे के सारे आपके heavy quality के use करें. Towards the left hand side, one level below the top, this is to be considered your lounge area. यहाँ पर आपको couch लगाया हुआ है. Maybe this is not with the property. This will get removed little later. This is just a sample to showcase how will this look like. On the left hand side you'll see a wallpaper, a thick wallpaper. No compromise is done with the quality of the fixtures of the house. You've got the artistic painting. This is all wood color, plastic sheet. Maybe it's an aluminium inside it. थोड़ा सा ये mixed quality है. ऊपर में आप surface में देखेंगे यहाँ पर आपका टाइलिंग वर्क दिया हुआ है, शेड्स में दिया हुआ है ये, और ये टीक वुड कलर का दिया हुआ है. दिस इज़ द डाइनिंग एरिया होता है. ये पूरा डाइनिंग एरिया है. यहाँ पर आपका मार्बल का और पत्थर का काम है काफ़ी अच्छा. सो क्विकली विल कवर अप द फर्स्ट bedroom of the property. Before we cover the first bedroom of the property, let me showcase you the powder room out here. This is the powder room. Engineered wood on the left hand side. This is veneer. You've got the glass in the front. Vanity looks to be more simple. इसमें आपके cabinets नहीं दिए हुए हैं. ये natural stone है, marble. This is again engineered wood. You'll see this natural stone. पत्थर का काम काफ़ी अच्छा है. Wall mount seat. The stuff is by Geberit brand. Ceiling एक simple सा दिया हुआ है. Let's cover up the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom of the house. Pretty much huge, natural light, all flowing inside. You talk about the ceiling design, it's rectangular. Air conditioning का system वहाँ से दिया हुआ है. Surface पे पूरा Italian flooring है. Fans आपका Havells के हैं इसमें. This is again an engineered wood towards my left, and all the borders are of the same. Good quality toughened UPVC के साथ में glass भी दिया हुआ है इसमें. Metal है यहाँ पर, natural stone. This is the daytime. We're shooting this property. You see the surroundings out here. This is a plain wall given here. Plain wall है बिल्कुल. Let me showcase you the closet. This is the closet space. This is your wardrobe section. Let's get inside the washroom. This is the washroom space. आपका ये closet दिया हुआ है यहाँ छोटा सा. This has toughened glass. Vanity looks to be again splendid. These are the cabinets. These are all cabinets given here. Natural stone. This is like wall mount seat by Durawood. Geberit का काम है. Exhaust fan, rain head on the ceiling. Grohe की fittings हैं. All stonework done. The small channel of a glass given here to enter inside the shower area. The right hand side you'll see a round glass. All natural stone. Surface पे पूरा अच्छे से दिया हुआ है इधर. You see the door quality अच्छा है. ये भी compromise नहीं है. इधर आप कोई पेंटिंग वगैरह लगा सकते हैं. Let's enter inside the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom of the house. On the right hand side you'll see a textured wall. On the flooring you'll see it's Italian. This is a wooden wall. This is not a natural wall. This is a wooden wall. On the right hand side you'll see this is a plain wall given here. ये बिल्कुल plain है. Ceiling का जो design है rectangular है. इधर air conditioning का system दिया हुआ है Daikin का again. On the right hand side you'll see this is a huge glass window given for the sunlight to flow inside your house. Let's get inside the washroom. A natural stone all over the washroom walls and the surface. Rain head on your ceiling. This is like Grohe ka fitting. Durawood. Again the upholstery remains the same. यहाँ geyser दिया हुआ Jaguar का. You've got the natural stone. The right hand side you'll see the Sanity. Again vibrant. No quality. Compromisation. इधर Havells का आपको exhaust दिया हुआ है. Towards the right left hand side there is a Brit that you can show once. You see the ceiling design, it's pretty much simple. Let's get inside the third bedroom of the house, which is just bang opposite to the second bedroom. This is the third bedroom of the house. You've got the Italian flooring on the surface. Right hand side the wall remains to be very simple. इधर कंसोल दे देते थोड़ा और अच्छा रहता. Daikin का एयर कंडीशनर दिया हुआ है सीलिंग पे इनबिल्ट. जो बाहर WRV सिस्टम्स हैं, ये आपका पूरा सीलिंग दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर रेक्टेंगुलर डिज़ाइन का. Modular switches all around. This is also connected with the balcony. This is the air conditioning system. This is the VRV system which is given here. This is with an inbuilt inverter. When the light is going to go off, you can still turn it on. Daikin का air conditioner का आपका external दिया हुआ है towards this side as well. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका balcony space है. If you talk about the back side, थोड़ा सा back side दिखा दीजिए. And this property will come to you with the power backup. ये नीचे में backup भी दिया हुआ है. Huge balcony. Come. This is the washroom of the Third bedroom, this is the wardrobe section, all transparent. Come inside. All transparent. Towards my left and towards my right, you'll see these shacks. You'll see the partition given. You've got the rod inside it. यहाँ पर आप अपने hangers वगैरह लगा सकते हैं. Towards my left, you'll see this is all stone work given. पूरे में पत्थर ही पत्थर लगाया हुआ है. Natural stone. Vanity looks to be more. मतलब शब्द ही नहीं मिल रहे हैं कि इतना प्यारा इन्होंने बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पर. Vanity looks to be more beautiful as usual. Geberit का इधर दिया हुआ है. You've got a rain head again on the ceiling. ये तो लग रहा है जैसे सेकंड बेडरूम के वॉशरूम में ही आ गया हूँ मैं दोबारा. ये पूरा का पूरा ग्रोहे का फिटिंग्स है. This is anti-skid. Again you've got a glass channel to enter inside the wet area. And this is the exhaust. यहाँ पर एक लेवल नीचे दिया हुआ है so the water will not flow outside. You again got the cabinetry stuff out here. The cabinets दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर. This is the master bedroom of the house. Let's get inside this. A huge bedroom, a huge size, pretty much huge. The left wall stays to be empty. The right wall stays to be plain and empty. On the corners of the ceiling, you'll see this is a engineered woodwork done. You've got the VRV system inside and built in the ceiling. Surface is all Italian. Okay. This is a UPVC, but this is not a UPVC, this is something else. This is a good quality stuff. Metal passage. The balcony area remains to be very, it's common with the third bedroom that we've shown you. Nothing much that we can actually showcase. You've got the grills out here. Fan on the ceiling. Let's cover up the washroom space. This is something that one would need. Beautiful. See. इसमें सेंसर वाली लाइट्स दे देते तो थोड़ा और अच्छा होता. अगर आप कहेंगे तो वो करवा दी जाएगी आपके लिए. These are all the storage wardrobes, a closet space. On the left hand side you'll see this is like all marble, white marble. Got the floating shelf to keep your stuff. Rain head on your ceiling. Grohe ka fittings, Durawood. Geberit again, you've got a floating shelf out there. You've got the exhaust fan place. All marble work done. This has got two vanities out here. A huge glass. This is your cabinetry. Your children's, your husband, your mother, your wife. I mean, anybody can be accommodate their own self. The AC is going to work here as well. Let's cover up the kitchen space now, which is the last but not the least. You've got a glass. As usual, every developer is giving this glass inside the, door. A huge size kitchen. मुझे लगता है कम से कम 15-20 बंदे आराम से accommodate हो सकते हैं. Chandelier. You've got the geyser, sink वगैरह बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का दिया. You've got the vessels out here. Natural stone. This is like again a glass work done. You'll see you've got the grooves cabinet to keep your stuff. This is your oven. This is your OTG. This is the space to keep your stuff. Once again, you've got the transparent cabinets. This is your wooden basket. You've got the chimney and hob by the company called Hefel. You've got the gas का pipeline का wiring भी हुआ हुआ है. Advance में आपको कुछ तोड़ा ताड़ी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is how you need to pull it up. And this is gonna go down like this. This is the drawer cabinetry to keep your multi-grains, your rice, pepper, salt, I mean whatever you want to keep here, you're more than welcome. These are all these racks. ये आपका small tiles हैं, आपका textured है, ये stain resistant है आपका. This will not catch these stains. This is again the storage. with the transparent storage. This is a small utility section. You can keep your whatever stuff that you want. This is quite a simple out है. एक लाइट है यहाँ पर, नेचुरल स्टोन इधर भी दिया हुआ है. This is the shaft area. Nothing to do with the shaft. So this was the kitchen. Over the ceiling that we talked about, this is all rectangular in design. आपका flooring Italian है. It's a huge kitchen. I mean, it's damn huge. I never expected this kind of kitchen in any place. Okay, last but not the least, this is your place where you can park your refrigerator. ये पूरा again engineered wood है, panel पूरा empaneled. This is the top floor with terrace. This is made as in a duplex. If somebody is living down there on the 4th floor, that person would have the access to this terrace, and the floor plan is made in such a way that this is not going to give you any further pain. Come, let's get down and let's showcase you where are we going to lead to. This is all wiring, strong wiring. This is the cassette AC by Daikin. All engineered woodwork done. The natural light is not a problem inside this home. This property comes to you with the terrace. We're now on the terrace area of the 500 square yard plot inside DLF Phase 1. This comes to you with the terrace area. If somebody is looking for a top floor with terrace, you're more than happy to give us a call on the number listed below. Now we'll showcase you this specific site. Terrace पे कैसा लगता है? This is all glass for the natural light to flow in. ये पूरा का पूरा टेरेस का एरिया है. इधर में प्लांट्स वगैरह लगाए हुए हैं आपके. आगे में आप देखेंगे बार एरिया है स्पेसिफिकली with the wrought iron lamps. These are all wrought iron. This is the countertop. Again, this is stain free. You've got a small drainage vessel with the wash basin out here. उधर से ही आप दिखा सकते हो. Chest color tiles on the surface. This is the view that one will get early in the morning once he's gonna wake himself up. So this is all Aravali's ka view hai, pura ka pura, surrounded by lush green area. You will love the nature retreat out here. This is more nourishing as I have ever expected. Now we'll get to the backside terrace. From the backside as well, you'll get the nicer view. All chest color tiles. This is a small wooden deck. This is not specifically made of wooden, but it's the tiling work done. This is one level above the surface of the terrace. This is all tiling work done. Wooden shade का tiling है. Left में आपके granite के tops हैं. पत्थर का काम करा हुआ है over this. This is all metal. You see the plants are hung. A beautiful design given out here in the front and the back. This is the back side. You will see the best possible image that one needs to capture early in the morning is going to be the lush green area which is visible there. देखो ये कितना beautiful लग रहा है. ये नज़ारा ही बहुत अलग है. जिस दिन बरसात हो रहा हो उस दिन देखने का मज़ा और अलग है इसको. This road goes till फरीदाबाद. ये फरीदाबाद जारी है. ये आपका आगे मिल जाती है कहीं जाके MG रोड के आसपास, मेहरौली रोड के आसपास, अर्जुन नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन पे. This is all property by DLF, and you've got the washroom on the top floor with terrace. This is all engineered wood given here. Don't be worried about the rain because it is rain resistant. Again, you've got the wet area tap with the plants out here. इधर काम चल रहा है बगल वाले घर में अभी. This will get complete. That's the Kutub Plaza which is visible. So this was all about the 500 square yard property. This was 4-bedroom hall, kitchen, dining, drawing, a separate powder room on the same level. I thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up, which is required. And if somebody is looking for a collaboration within the Gurugram region, that person is more than welcome. And if somebody is looking forward to get the shoot done, please give us a call on the number listed below. Thank you.